Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own games on your PC using ChatGPT and Python. So the first thing you're going to need is an IDE or an integrated development environment. Now all that is a place for you to put your code. And I like Anaconda because it comes with Jupyter Notebook. And the reason why I like Jupyter Notebook is because it just pops up in your browser and it's super easy to use. And where Jupyter Notebook really shines is in data visualization. So if you wanted to create a correlation matrix or a heat map, it's really good at stuff like that. But it's also good at creating simple games, which is what we're going to do today. The next thing you'll need is a ChatGPT account, and I'm going to put all the links to this stuff in the description below, so if you want to try it out yourself, you can. So we're going to be making 5 simple games today. We're going to do rock, paper, scissors, tic-tac-toe, Pong, Snake, and Breakout. And you can ask ChatGPT what are some games it can make, but these are sort of the easier ones to get started with. So we can start with rock, paper, scissors. So I asked, can you write the code to make a rock, paper, scissors game? Then you can see it'll start writing it out for you. This is pretty cool. So now you have the code for rock, paper, scissors. You're just going to copy that code. You're going to go into a blank Jupyter Notebook. You're going to paste that code, and then you're going to run. See, this one's super simple. It says enter your move, rock, paper, scissors. Let's get a quick dub. Restart. All right, first try. Let's get a quick dub. I think this one is rigged. Yay, let's go. Finally won one. And then you can start asking follow-up questions so that you can play it so that it never stops and you don't have to rerun it anymore. So if I choose paper, it's a tie. So do I want to play again? Yes. I'll choose rock. And I won. And I can keep playing that way. And then you can go back into ChatGPT and ask it to make another game for you. So this one we're going to try Snake. And so now it's writing the code for a Snake game. So you can see at the top it says import Pygame, and I'll show you how to do that if you don't have Pygame already installed on your computer. So what you'll do in the first line of code, you're going to put an exclamation point and then pip install Pygame. You're going to run it, and what that'll do is it'll install it on your computer. And as you can see here, it's already installed on mine, so I'm good to go. And then we take the code that ChatGPT gave us, and then we'll just run this. And what'll happen is there'll be a little document down here that'll pop up, and then we can play Snake. And we're crushing this right now, and I died. And so that happens. You can press C to start over again. My mouse is in the way. Oh, they set me up on that one. Let's go. Oh, now we're cruising here. And this is just a pretty fun game to pass the time if you just want to mess around. I died again. Next up is another fairly easy game. You just go into ChatGPT, you ask if it can write the code for TicTacToe. You get it. We already have Pygame installed, so we're good there. We run it. So we look for the little document down here, and now we can play TicTacToe against our friends. So they might start in the middle, play up here, and they don't know how to play, and so X wins. And so that's a cool little game that you can build super quick and just play with your friends if you're bored. Another cool game you can play with your friends is Pong. You ask ChatGPT to write the code for Pong, you come into your Jupyter Notebook, you paste it, you run it, you look for that document, then there you go. And one person is going to use the arrow keys and the other is going to use the WSAD. And it's super, oh my gosh, I'm getting waxed by myself. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. And as you can see, it's super hard to play against yourself in Pong, so it's really cool to have friends, you know. But right now I'm crushing it. So there we go, that's Pong. The last one I'm going to show you guys is Breakout. Now this one's the most fun, but it also has the most lines of code, so it's the easiest to kind of mess up. But even if you do get an error message, you should be able to take that error message, paste it into ChatGPT, and it should be able to help you correct it. We're going to go ahead and run it. There we go. Now we're playing Breakout. Let's go. Oh, whoa, what a good one. Oh gosh, we're crushing this. Okay, and we died. And then it just restarts. And that's 5 simple games you can make in Python using ChatGPT with no coding experience at all. And some of them are kind of fun. Let me know what you think about this video in the comments below. Like the video if you like the video, consider subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next one.